Today in front of me Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute your ringtone, swipe with the finger to the left side, and that's it. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. You just should press your up or down volume button, and as can you see, we got here the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your ringtone, press and hold your down volume button, and by this way you can just tap here on this mute switcher, and by this way you can also mute your ringtone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.